Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening, everyone. So, here we are. And as we all know, strong women aren't simply born, they are forged through the challenges of life. With each challenge, these women, they grow mentally, emotionally, stronger. And they move forward with their head held high and the strength that cannot be denied. A woman who has been through the storm and survived. That's how I would define women as. These women are warriors. Today we have with us Karishma Jain, who is such a warrior, and I would like to welcome her here with all of us. Can we have Karishma, please?
Hello everyone.
Hi. Hi, Karishma. How are you
Hi
doing?
Vatsala. I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. So, good evening, everyone. So, let's welcome Karishma with a round of applause. I know you can't, but on behalf of everyone, I can do that. A very good evening, Karthik. Hi, Anand. So, we have our live viewers there. Let me introduce Karishma. People who don't know her, Karishma is a strong lady who believes in lifting. Now, lifting can be anything which you can think of. She lifts all her responsibilities. She is a lifter of beauty. Yes, you got it right. A girl who wanted to be a model, who wanted to defy all the thoughts which this world has. And she graduated from Jaipur. She is not only taking care of all her responsibilities and duties and lifting all of them together very strongly, but she also lifted a beauty crown in Jaipur, in Gwalior. Right, Karishma? Correct me if I'm
Yes.
wrong.
Yes.
And now she is moving on to next phase of her life, where again she is lifting. So I'll not take much of her time. I would like Karishma to introduce herself. But before we move on to the introduction of Karishma, let me tell you what this with Wings is. As the name suggests, we are women who have their wings. We are a platform where we are just bringing up stories from our daily life, from some of our success stories. Some of them are who are breaking all the barriers and creating inspirational stories, who are inspiring others and making others step into various fields, right? So, Karishma, over to you now. Spread your wings and show them what you are. You've already spread that.
Thank you, Vatsala. Thank you for welcoming me here to Women's to Wings. Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Karishma, as Vatsala introduced, and I'm born and brought up in Jaipur. Married in Gwalior. It's 12 years of my happy marriage. Uh, I have been crowned as Miss Rajasthan runner-up in 2004. And then in 2019, I was crowned as Mrs. Gwalior runner-up again. Uh, it was Mrs. Gwalior. And now I'm a homemaker by profession and pursuing my INFS call. I'm an INFS scholar and pursuing my nutrition and fitness course. And looking forward to be an aspiring fitness coach and uplift other women near me.
That's great, Karishma. And let's not forget that you are also guiding other women or young girls who wants to step into the beauty world, right? The modeling world.
Yes.
Yes, great. Recently, she was a judge there, and she did took a workshop around, how these young girls and boys they can step into uh, this little difficult yet interesting area or a career, how they can make their career. Great. So, Karishma, again, back to you. We all are really willing and we are really looking forward to listen from you, your journey from that child who had a dream of being a model to a contest winner, to an HR professional. Guys, you're not aware that she was an HR professional as well, and she was working with Genpact, right, Karishma? So
Yes.
to an HR professional, and then a homemaker, but now a fitness enthusiast who wants to bring change in people's life and want to transform their life in all ways. So please share your story. I would really looking forward. I really want to hear that.
Yeah, sure. Like always, I had a dream of becoming a model and entering film industry actually. तो मेरा हमेशा से था कि नहीं मेरे को है ना जाना है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एंड आई नीड टू स्टेप देयर. व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 5th आई थिंक I got an opportunity to do a movie and also to get an ad. But I think casting couch was too much in that time. So family took a back step, like, because film industry was too much of casting couch and things. And things went by. I became a state level basketball player. I was a state level basketball player. So that I took my journey towards that because that wasn't possible for me becoming a model. But that dream never went by. I always had things in my head that I need to be there on the stage and present myself in front of people. So things went like that. And when I pursued my college, I came to Jaipur, and when I was doing my college, I got an opportunity to be on stage for Miss Rajasthan. And I asked my parents and everybody, they were so like, yes, they accepted things and they were there standing with me, the saath mein, and I did a workshop, ek hafte ka workshop and everything, and I was there on stage and mera dream sahi hua, yes, to become a model. And then I was crowned as Miss Runner-up there. So acha tha. Then I joined office, like Genpact joined kiya maine after completing my graduation. So there I was always on the top list. Ki Karishma is there, so we need to do modeling stuff. And Genpact में things happen very, बहुत बड़े scale पे होता था. So always it was a modeling contest में Karishma should be there on the top and she should host that thing. So maybe not on a bigger scale, but things went by. I somehow or the other pursued my things. Then I got married, and as always, like women have responsibilities. I got kids, so things moved on like that. But in 2019, there is no age for a woman to fulfill her dreams. I was 35 and I fulfilled, and I again got my dreams on stage, and I became Mrs. Gwalior runner-up in 2019. And fitness journey is something which is very close to my heart, and like I can't say, it's 5 years into this.
Wonderful. Those who don't know about your fitness journey, they would be really wanting to, and they are wanting to know. I have received some of the questions. They're really wanting to know what made you move to fitness from modeling to a beauty contest winner to HR professional and then fitness. They don't relate to each other, right? What made you move to fitness? Why fitness?
Why fitness? Post-pregnancy, I got postpartum diseases, and things were not going in favor. I was not able to walk. I was not even able to lift a glass of water. And one fine day, so things took in my mind, like, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Like, I'm sitting idle. I'm not able to lift a glass of water, and सब मुझे दे रहे हैं. And that took me there to the fitness journey. I started lifting weights, and that inspired me. My disease inspired me to get well there. So that's what my journey was.
Wonderful. So Karishma, the warrior, as always, मतलब कभी give up नहीं किया करिश्मा ने. मतलब मॉडलिंग एक सपना था, पूरा किया, अच्छे से रहा, फिर शादी हुई, पेरेंट्स के भी मतलब ड्रीम्स पूरे करे, moved on, got your kids, right? बट कहीं वो अंदर लगता है ना, जब इतना सब कुछ पा लेते हैं कि कैसे बैठ गए, तो वापस से सोचा कि फिटनेस. Wonderful, Karishma, and I was not aware that you were a basketball player. That's wonderful. That's really great.
I was a state level basketball player.
Wow. So that is another common thing, Karishma, me and you have. So I was not a state level one, but yes, I was inter school and district level tak main bhi kheli. But wonderful, that's a great thing. So Karishma, I have in fitness, if I know, when we were discussing, you did mention that you love deadlifts. That's your love, right? So
That's my love.
people, yes, लोग बोलते हैं ना कि body achieves what a mind believes, right? Was there a reason that you decided to get into fitness and then into weightlifting in particular? Why did you call it as your love? Why weightlifting?
I tried all sources of things, like मैंने सब try किया, Zumba and everything, cardio and crash dieting, everything. But I said नहीं, I did not get the zeal, नहीं, मजा नहीं आ रहा था. And जिम में जाकर लड़कों को देख के and I felt like नहीं, I can also do that. Why should men do that stuff? And one fine day I lifted weights and deadlift करते हुए देख के सबको ऐसा लगा I should do the deadlift. And the trainer said me तुमसे नहीं होगा, लड़कियों की बस की बात नहीं है. So that took my mind. मेरे को करना है, and that is my true love actually. Deadlift is like something I can live upon. मेरे को कोई नहीं चाहिए फिर.
मतलब अगर डेडलिफ्ट है तो बस बाकी सब चीजें साइड में, right?
Yes, yes.
Great. So, do you think lifting weight? Can I say that lifting weight taught you anything about women? Are you able to relate anything with women?
Yes, lifting weight. Yes, you're lifting weights. You're lifting your responsibilities. आप इतने सारे लोगों का भार उठा रहे हो, इतने सारी responsibilities उठा रहे हो. Being a woman, everybody is saying you should be caring and ऐसा होना चाहिए. Women को homemaker types होना चाहिए. So we are doing everything. We are uplifting ourselves as well as other women. This is what weightlifting has taught me.
पर लोग तो बोलते हैं ना लड़कियों को वेट लिफ्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, और आपके जिम वाले ट्रेनर ने भी बोला तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा करिश्मा.
तभी तो हमसे हो पाया. लोगों के बोलने से अपन गए तो फिर चीजें कभी भी सही नहीं होगी. डू व्हाट यू फील. आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, व्हाट मेक्स यू हैप्पी. आप खुश नहीं रहोगे तो किसी और को भी खुश नहीं कर पाओगे.
बहुत सही बोला करिश्मा. अगर आप खुद खुश नहीं हो तो बाकियों का कैसे ध्यान रखें. और एक आपने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कि एज अ वुमेन आप वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज लिफ्ट कर रहे हो, सबका ध्यान रख रहे हो, सबका मतलब उन सबकी जरूरतों को देखते हो. तो प्रोबेबली अगर मैं अपने आप को करिश्मा की जगह रखूं तो शायद वो जब मैं डेडलिफ्ट करती हूँ या मैं उसको लिफ्ट करती हूँ तो मेरे को सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बहुत छोटी लगती होंगी एज कम्पेयर टू माई डेडलिफ्ट, राइट? दो और कितना देना है, राइट? ऐसी फीलिंग आती है क्या?
यस, वी आर स्ट्रांग. हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
हम कुछ भी
नेवर फॉल. हाँ, women never fail and never fall.
Correct. Wonderful. Women never fail. So we must remember that strength of women doesn't come from lifting weights, but lifting herself when life knock you down from the various twist and turn. मतलब मुझे तो summary में यही लगा, right? And
yes.
Anand is saying you both are inspiring women with invisible wings. Thank you, Anand. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anand.
Yeah, and there are some more comments. In fact, there was a question that came by Dr. Omkar. Probably I'll take that up, next. Yes. So Dr. Omkar mentioned, what suggestions would you give to women to prioritize fitness along with family responsibilities? How do you balance everything? So what do you want to say about that?
See, in this, I would say, if you are not well, if you are not healthy, you cannot take care of your family, your kids. आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज उठा ही नहीं पाओगे जब आप खुद ही ठीक नहीं हो. आप अंदर से खुश नहीं हो, आप अंदर से ठीक नहीं हो, यू विल फील बैड अबाउट योरसेल्फ. जब खुद ही खुश नहीं हो तो दूसरों को कैसे रखोगे? सो ऑलवेज प्रायोरिटाइज फर्स्ट योरसेल्फ. अपना हेल्थ सही रखो तो सब चीजें ऑटोमेटिकली सही होंगी.
तो आप मतलब ठीक है, आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग एंड वेरी राइटली सेड कि अपने आप को पहले हमें ठीक रखना है, तभी हम बाकी को ध्यान रख सकते हैं. बट करिश्मा, होता है ना कि सडनली बहुत कुछ आ गया आपके घर में और आपको उसका ध्यान रखना पड़ रहा है, या कोई सडन इंसिडेंट हो गया उसको देखना पड़ रहा है. तो उस टाइम पर आप अपनी फिटनेस का क्या करते हो? आजकल अगर मैं देखूं, या मैंने जो अपने पेरेंट्स के टाइम में, अपनी मदर के टाइम में देखा है, वी women always keep ourselves at the last. हमारी चीजें सबसे पीछे होती हैं, चाहे वो हमारा खाना बनाने से लेकर हो, या अपने लिए कुछ खरीदना हो, या शॉपिंग भी करना हो, हम बाद में हैं, बाकी सब पहले हैं, राइट?
नहीं, इस मामले में थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट विथ मी. मैं अपनी फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी हूँ एंड आई लव माई सेल्फ मोर देन एनीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड. सो आई ऑलवेज लाइक, मेरे को खुद को अपने आप को देखना होता है. मेरी प्रायोरिटी मैं खुद हूँ.
ओके, सॉरी, आई
या तो आई फील के ना, मेरी प्रायोरिटी, माई फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इज मी. अगर मैं खुद अंदर से नहीं हूँ तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तो मैं कर ही लूंगी. मे बी आई वेक अप हाफ एन आवर अर्ली एंड डू माई पैशन फर्स्ट, बिकॉज मेरा पैशन मेरे लिए ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है rather than things.
Okay, great, wonderful.
Because we are doing, अपन अपना काम कर ही रहे हैं, like we are taking the responsibilities.
Correct. How many people are there in your family, and what time you wake up, Karishma? If you want to, can you share your routine with us? Because मुझे जानने में बहुत उत्सुकता है इस बात की, क्योंकि I know whatever little bit you have shared with me. You have a huge family. You are staying in a joint family. You cook for them. You do everything, and along with that, you are doing a course also. You are taking care of studies of your kids, and then your fitness. So, would you like to share your routine? Probably that will give some idea to people.
Okay, I have 27 members in my family, like along with my father-in-law and his brothers and their kids and everybody. So, a kitchen around, I cook for 12 people daily, and I wake up at 5, and my first priority is to do my walk and do meditation, so that I feel fresh the whole day.
Okay.
Then the things go up like that only. I cook dinner, I cook lunch, breakfast, फिर आती हूँ, थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट किया, I finish my workout. That 1 hour I need, मेरे को करना है.
Okay.
So I don't watch TV, I don't watch Netflix, I don't watch things like this. Not much on the TV stuff and all. So मेरा टाइम यहाँ पे निकल जाता है, मैं अपना वर्कआउट करती हूँ. Then again वही daily routine, and I sleep at 12 and I study. I study at 9. I start my studies at 9 and बीच में टूट के डिनर भी सर्व करना है, किड्स का भी देखना है, टूट के सब करना होता है. But that's my passion. I need to pursue. I want to become a fitness trainer. मेरे को कोच बनना है, वो मेरा ड्रीम है. तो मेरे को वो पूरा करना है, ताकि my kids also will learn कि है ना, ड्रीम को कभी गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए, अपना ड्रीम हमेशा फुलफिल करना चाहिए. दे आर लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स मी कि मम्मा क्या कर रही है, सो दैट इवन वी कैन डू थिंग्स लाइक दैट.
Absolutely, absolutely. So beautifully said. And I'm sure our audience here and Dr. Omkar, you must have got an idea now that how Karishma prioritizes everything. A family of 27 members, cooking for 12 people, 15 people in the kitchen, and starting a day with walk, with meditation, because probably that's what needs you, right? So there is a question that is coming up. Just please keep that question there. I'll take that up. And in between, you're taking care of kids, and again you're going back to your studies. So it's like a juggler having all the balls there, in his hand, and not letting a single ball drop. Hats off to you, dear. Hats off to you. Really remarkable, and I'm sure people are getting inspired by this. And truly, now I know why deadlift is your love, because you deserve that. Awesome. Okay, great. there was another question which came in, that fitness right now is more like a fad that is there. Okay, I'll come up with my question later. Let me ask. Kanika is asking, many women in our society don't bother about their health. Okay, it always takes a backseat when in comparison to their families. What advice would you like to give to women? I think ये करिश्मा ने अभी
ऑलरेडी पहले ही आंसर कर दिया,
बट दोबारा एक बार दो, क्योंकि आई थिंक ये बहुत जरूरी है उसको दोबारा रीट्रेट करके
खुद की प्रायोरिटी खुद ही होना चाहिए। पहले अपने आप को प्यार करो, आप बाद में सबको प्यार करते ही रहोगे। एंड आई एम सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड। मेरे को सब बोलते थे तुम्हें खुद से कितना प्यार है, मैंने यस आई एम सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड। आप लोग कुछ भी बोलो, मुझे पहले खुद से प्यार है।
Very true. Sometimes you need to be a badass while doing everything. Awesome. Yes. Awesome, Karishma. Absolutely. Hi, Kanika. I hope you got your answer, because अगर आपने पूरा routine सुना हो, she starts with herself, right? She starts with meditation and walking, probably to calm her down and to get her day in place. And then she does her routine work, cooking, breakfast, family की responsibility. फिर बीच में आके workout भी करती है. Wonderful. उसके बाद फिर दोबारा back in kitchen, and probably वहाँ पे भी you must be doing some squats, right? Great. And then again back doing her duties, and रात में पढ़ाई. And the most important thing, see, okay, it was also there. बच्चे देखते हैं. I think audience, we must learn one thing, that our kids, for our kids, we are inspirations, more than anyone. They look up to us, right? They are the ones who are looking up to us. We are their idol, right? बाकी आइडल बाद में होते हैं, बट सबसे पहले माँ बाप आइडल होते हैं. एंड करिश्मा, आई थिंक यू आर सेटिंग सच अ ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, दैट हाउ दे कैन टेक केयर ऑफ देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड देयर ड्रीम्स एंड लिव अप टू दोज ड्रीम्स. दैट इज समथिंग रियली अमेजिंग, राइट? There's okay, so I had a question there, which I was asking earlier when Kanika mentioned, fitness, I feel, is more like a fad, and especially during the lockdown, suddenly fitness became like a fashion statement. Yeah, everybody started getting into yoga class, Zumba class, ye bhi kar lete hain, even in fit a lot of people join, right? But don't you think that people are a little confused about what they need to do, how they can decide, that this is what they should do? Just picking up something which is there in fashion, that is what something they should do. What is your take on it? I mean, what advice would you give?
I feel like a person should do something, उसको वो करना चाहिए जो उससे अच्छा लगे, उसको अंदर से हैप्पीनेस होना चाहिए कि ना मैं जुम्बा कर रहा हूँ तो जुम्बा में आई शुड फील गुड कि हाँ मैं जुम्बा कर रहा हूँ, तो उस चीज में इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. इफ यू डोंट हैव इंटरेस्ट, यू लीव इट. लाइक 1 महीने बाद ऐसा लगेगा छोड़ दो, नहीं करना मुझको, एंड फिर दैट विल फेड विद टाइम. तो उस चीज में करो जहां पर आपको इंटरेस्ट लग रहा हो. नो एक्सरसाइज फॉर्म इज बैड और गुड, बस आपको उसमें इंटरेस्ट आना चाहिए. एंड यस, वेट लिफ्टिंग, वुमेन ऑलवेज लिफ्ट वेट, तो आप सब चीज उठा रहे हो तो वेट टू जस्ट ए नंबर, तो आप अपने आप उठा लोगे अगर इफ यू वांट टू गो टू दैट फील्ड.
एक और चीज, लोग बोलते हैं योगा करने से ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, whereas there are some who would like to hit gym, और probably लोगों ने घर में भी जिम सेटअप किया है. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं probably meditation helps. So do you think it is एक particular हमें एक्सरसाइज या एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप का फिटनेस रिजीम हमको फॉलो करना चाहिए? कैसे कोई डिसाइड करेगा? अगर कोई न्यूबी है और उसको अपना कुछ करना है, ही वांट्स टू गेट इनटू फिटनेस, तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करोगे? कैसे वो आपके पास आ सकता है? इफ समबडी कम्स टू यू एंड से कि करिश्मा मैं बहुत थक गया एंड आई वांट टू गेट इनटू फिटनेस, प्लीज एडवाइस.
अगर मैं एडवाइस करूंगी तो यस, वेट ट्रेनिंग. I am a yoga lover too. Yes, I do yoga daily, but that is never my priority. Yoga मैं करती हूँ, but just because I love it. But weightlifting मुझे ज्यादा पसंद है, and weightlifting से I get more endurance. मेरे को और strength मिलती है, मुझे पूरा दिन भर और काम करने के लिए I get more of strength. तो वो that thing happens. So weightlifting से आपका endurance भी बढ़ता है, and plus you can pick up more responsibilities. You can like you feel more energetic throughout the day,
Yeah.
and you won't like your muscle mass also come down, get in shape.
Yeah, that I understand. But आप कैसे advise करोगे? You know, you are going to be a coach. So how will you advise the person? What your advice is going to be? क्या चूज
Advice
करूँ?
as such, like
योगा करूँ कि कार्डियो करूँ कि क्या करूँ? सॉरी, थोड़ा ऐसी टफ क्वेश्चन. ये कंफ्यूजन मुझे भी था, इसलिए पूछा.
हाँ, गोल होता है एक पर्सन का एक्चुअली कि उसको करना क्या है लाइफ में. लाइक व्हाई शी वांट्स टू लूज वेट, उसका गोल क्या है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी प्रायोरिटाइज सम थिंग्स, बट देन आई मेक दैट पर्सन अंडरस्टैंड कि वेट ट्रेनिंग का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है एक्चुअली, एंड डूइंग कार्डियो will sometimes lead to injury too, but weight training से you आपके muscles strong होते हैं and joints भी strong होते हैं, so less chances of injury and you feel more energetic. सिर्फ भागते रहने से है even time less लेता है weight training compared to others.
Okay, great. Thank you so much on that part, Karishma. Coming back to beauty contest, Karishma. Would you like to say about the societal norms? Something you mentioned that, you know, initially you got into modeling, you got a chance to act also, right? But you couldn't pursue it, right? That was years back, right? Now, what do you think? What are the societal norms, if we have to talk about in this beauty field?
See, there are drawbacks as well as pros and cons both in it. What society thinks is the model should be fit, slim, thin, and like gory hone chahiye. She should be like that. But that is not the case. Your inner beauty should be there on the stage. You should be beautiful from inside. And so there are pros and cons in both. What society feels is, well, a model should be like this. But what actually a model should be, she should be beautiful from inside and she should have a good knowledge.
But हमारी सोसाइटी एक्सेप्ट करती है आजकल, मतलब क्या आपके आसपास के लोग, वो लोग मतलब अगर कोई लड़की ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट में या कोई मॉडलिंग करने जाना चाहती है, तो व्हाट इज देयर टेक? हाउ डू दे फील अबाउट यू नो अ गर्ल
गेटिंग चेंज्ड अ लॉट. Things have changed a lot. Education has brought बहुत अच्छा impact लाया है सब में. Education से like earlier women never used to be so much educated, और वो हमेशा ऐसा लगता था because while she was not educated तो क्या करेगी, बस घर का ही करेगी and she should not go out. But अब education has brought like बहुत अच्छा impact लाया है सब में, and we're like now women can do anything. Even society is accepting that thing, and it is not for something like कुछ बुरा हो रहा है या कुछ हो रहा है, but हाँ society accept कर रही है इस चीजों को, and mindset people का change हो रहा है.
So वो जो एक negative image था या negative feeling था about sending a girl into modeling field, into fashion industry, you think it is changing?
Yes, it's changing. Like आप देख सकते हो अब more of women are there as models, as like even कहीं पर भी देख लो, women are there everywhere in हर चीज की modeling में women are there like prioritized there always, and there's so many models, upcoming models सभी. So obviously things have changed.
अगर आपको मौका लगेगा तो आप अपनी डॉटर को मॉडलिंग में भेजोगे?
Yeah, if she's interested, I have no foundation for her. If she's interested in any field, like whatever she wants to pursue, she's a national level tennis player, she's a national level chess player. So उसको जो अच्छा लगता है, let her be in that field. I have no foundation on her, neither my family has.
Wonderful. That's a great thing, and I think that answered my question, that if societal norms are changing towards modeling and everything. Karthik is asking, how did this fitness journey started and what made you kickstart? So that's again a repeat question though, but here. Please do share.
Uh, After second pregnancy, actually, I had two diseases along with me. I got asthma and arthritis post pregnancy, and that was too severe that I couldn't lift a glass of water. Like even an empty glass of water, it used to fall. Like empty glass also used to fall down. So it was not possible for me to lift anything. I couldn't get down from the bed too. So that there things changed for me. Where I had to ask everyone कि एक glass पानी दे दो मुझे. That I felt too odd. मैंने बार बार सबको तंग करना, सबको परेशान करना. I need to. Then I came through a group fitter. Earlier it was squad. तो देखा मैंने वहाँ पे. मैंने यहाँ पे तो बहुत लोग हैं ऐसे जो uplift हुए हैं करके. I need to change myself too. तो वहां से वो जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई.
Okay. Wow. That's great. So Karthik, I hope you answered. Karthik is saying that Karishma, please tell women that they can lift heavy. They have this notion that they will pump up if they do it. So need to tell them.
It's
so
all a myth. It's all a myth actually. You don't have that testosterone से या जो भी है नहीं है आपके अंदर. आपको years of training लगेगी कि ऐसा muscle mass build करने के लिए. That too naturally it won't happen कि you look like a man. Women can lift heavy and still look fit and still look feminine. I don't look like a man, right? Like I can lift 90 kgs of deadlift and still I look feminine. So weightlifting will not make you look like a man.
Wonderful. Okay, great. Thank you so much. So women can lift, guys. Okay, so it's not that सिर्फ लड़के ही कर सकते हैं, लड़कियां भी कर सकती हैं. And we have such pretty women here, a beauty contest winner, a crown holder sitting here, still lifting weight up to 90 kgs, right, Karishma? And her target is, by the way, 150. That's what she mentioned to me. All right, Shanu is asking, how did this journey or pursuit for fitness helped you or has been helping you? What message would you like to share with females out here?
Can you just repeat the question, please?
Yeah.
I'm not getting it on the screen.
That's okay. How did this journey for fitness helped you or has been helping you? Do you want to share any message with females who are listening to you, our audience? How did this?
Yes, this journey towards fitness has helped me like uplifting myself and uplifting people nearby me. Like they're getting inspired. Like people are not falling down. I'm uplifting myself. Even people near me, my kids, my family, they are also getting uplifted seeing this towards fitness journey. Because आजकल क्या हो गया है, obese people are too much. तो वो चीज देख के things are changing. I have uplifted myself from things and सही हो रहा है सब चीज.
और क्या बोलना चाहोगी? सब सही हो रहा है, मतलब खुद को लिफ्ट करो तो बाकियों को भी लिफ्ट करोगे.
Yes, obviously.
एक सॉन्ग भी है ना, लिफ्ट करा दे, थोड़ा सा तू लिफ्ट करा दे. I think that's gonna fit here so well. खुद को तुम लिफ्ट करा दो, बाकियों को भी तुम लिफ्ट करा दोगे. Wonderful. All right. So Women with Wings audience, they want to know, how do we regularly keep motivated toward fitness? We have a tendency to be lazy. Yes, we have a tendency to be lazy. Every day morning, it's so difficult to get up at 5 o'clock or even at 7 o'clock to step out and walk. So what can we do? Any tips, Karishma?
See, it's all your goals. कि आपका गोल क्या है लाइफ में, आपकी प्रायोरिटी क्या है लाइफ में. एंड आपको पता है हमें फिट रहना है, तो हाफ एन आवर वी कैन टेक इट आउट. ज्यादा नहीं तो 30 मिनट्स एटलीस्ट अपने लिए निकालो. अपने लिए एटलीस्ट वो थोड़ा सा वॉक ही करो चाहे, बट एटलीस्ट अपने लिए निकालो.
हाँ, पर ठंड है ना आजकल, बाहर निकलना मुश्किल होता है. कैसे निकलेंगे?
घर पे करो, बाहर नहीं निकलो, घर पे करो. बट करो, अपने लिए करो, किसी और के लिए नहीं। आपको किसी और के लिए नहीं करना है कोई भी चीज, आपको अपने खुद के लिए करना है।
Thank you so much. So, guys, if you really want to do something for everyone around, first of all, do it for yourself. खुद से ज्यादा, खुद से, औरों से ज्यादा खुद से प्यार करो, खुद के लिए करो। वो 30 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स खुद के लिए करो। ठंड है, बाहर नहीं जा सकते तो घर में वॉक करो, राइट करिश्मा? और वॉक, और अगर जिम बंद है तो करिश्मा के जैसे जिम घर में सेटअप कर लो। अभी हम करिश्मा का जिम भी देखेंगे छोटा सा। शी इज गोना शो अस हर जिम एज वेल, या एंड दैट्स देयर, राइट? करिश्मा, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है जो मैं पहले भी वैसे पूछ चुकी हूँ कि आजकल की सोसाइटी जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब एक नोशन है, जैसे आपने पहले भी बोला कि लेडीज हैं, दे आर इमोशनल, दे नीड टू बी केयरिंग, दे नीड टू बी देयर मदर, दे आर मोर सॉफ्ट हार्टेड, एंड प्रोबेबली आई वुड से कहीं जा रहे हैं तो वुमेन को बहुत अच्छा दिखना चाहिए, सब कुछ है, एंड मेल्स आर द वन हु आर एक्चुअली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द हाउस एंड दे आर द डिसीजन मेकर. Do you think this norm is changing in the society? Yes, we are lifting weights. We are defying all the thoughts and all the barriers that are there. But कहीं पर वो जो एक वर्ड हम बोलते हैं ना, शक्ति, नवरात्रे आते हैं तो बहुत पूजा होती है, ठीक है, देवी की पूजा होती है, बट वो देवी 9 दिनों के बाद कितनी देवी रहती है, उसके बारे में आप क्या बोलोगे? वो चेंज हो रहा है कहीं, नहीं हो रहा है?
चेंज हो रहा है, चेंज हो रहा है, बिकॉज है ना, पहले क्या होता था, वुमेन इंपीरियल टाइम में दे नेवर यूज टू स्टडी, वो नहीं करते थे कुछ भी, बस सिर्फ घर पे ही, इसलिए इट वाज अ मेन डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी. बट अब वुमेन आर इक्वली, दोनों इक्वल है, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो स्टडिंग, एंड वो भी आगे आ रहे हैं हर चीज में, एंड यस, मेन्स आर रिस्पेक्टिंग वुमेन, तो इक्वल है. एंड ये नहीं है कि हम वी आर नॉट केयरिंग या वी आर नॉट डूइंग थिंग्स फॉर अ फैमिली, हम सब कर रहे हैं, बट खुद का भी ध्यान रख रहे हैं. तो मच थिंग्स चेंज हुई है, एंड इवन द मेंटालिटी ऑफ पीपल इज आल्सो चेंज सम टाइम. तो अब 21वीं सदी में हम पुराने नहीं रहे, तो चीजें बदल रही है.
मतलब अब चीजें बदल रही है, अब मुझे तलवार लेके खड़े होने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा क्या?
हाँ, जरूरत नहीं है तलवार, तो वुमेन आर सो स्ट्रांग, तो जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Absolutely. Okay, so Prabdeep is asking a question: how to manage your diet? As far as I know, you eat quantified food. How about your family? They follow the same concept of quantified diet, or you cook for yourself separately?
I cook for myself separately.
Yeah, and with 15 members there.
Yes, I cook for myself separately because Gwalior is a city of food actually. यहाँ पर सब लोग बहुत foodie है, and people love eating food. So we cannot stop. And until unless you have that passion in yourself, अपने अंदर zeal हो कि नहीं हमें भी quantified खाना, जब तक आप force करके नहीं खिला सकते हो. So I'm not forcing things on them. मैं खुद पे करती हूँ.
Very good. और आपको देखकर बाकी भी करते होंगे, फिर उनको लगता होगा कि
my daughter and my sons have quantified with me, तो दोनों quantified लेते हैं.
Wonderful. That's so nice, Karishma. There was another question which I said that yes, we are all guided by a goal. What is one goal that drives you, that sets everything aside? What is that one goal?
My one goal is that I want to be a powerlifter. That is one goal which I never mentioned to anyone, but here on this platform I'm saying like yes, मेरे को एक powerlifter बनना है. So I have that goal in my mind. I have that zeal. तो मुझे करना है, बस करना है. And I don't want to stop.
जिद्दी हूँ मैं, करना है तो करना है. Awesome.
करना है.
You will do it. I'm sure you're gonna do it. Great. Nisha is asking, there are women out there who are not getting family support to pursue their goals, be it fitness or anything else. What advice would you like to give to them? Absolutely. Even I would like to know, because I do get such queries, of course. What should they do?
You need to fight for your right. नहीं, आपकी लड़ाई आपको खुद ही लड़नी है. किसी मतलब किसी को नहीं बोल सकते, हाँ नहीं फैमिली नहीं, दे डोंट अलाउ, इवन माय फैमिली अर्लियर दे डिड नॉट अलाउ, क्या ना वेट लिफ्टिंग इज जस्ट फॉर मेन, तुम क्या कर रही हो, एंड तुम जिम जा रही हो, बॉयज भी आते हैं एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। बट ठीक है, अपनी लड़ाई खुद को लड़नी है, थिंग्स चेंज, मेंटालिटी चेंज होती है सबकी, थोड़ा स्ट्रगल होता है, बट देन एट द एंड द रिजल्ट्स आर टू गुड। आपको सपोर्ट मिलता है आपकी फैमिली से टू डू परस्यू थिंग्स व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। तो थोड़ा सा अपनी लड़ाई खुद को ही लड़नी पड़ेगी।
थैंक यू सो मच, वंडरफुली सेड करिश्मा। अपनी लड़ाई खुद से ही लड़नी पड़ेगी। जो गोल खुद के लिए सेट किया है उसको लेकर आगे अगर बढ़ना है और अचीव करना है पीपल, सो यू नो यू हैव टू बी passionate about it and you have to fight for it. If you're not getting support, probably make them understand that what is in it, you know, for you and what is in it for them. In fact, करिश्मा ने पहले भी बोला था कि अगर मैं खुद का ध्यान नहीं रखूंगी तो मैं बाकियों का कैसे ध्यान रखूंगी, which she had mentioned. And you know, again she has reiterated that in a different manner. आप अगर खुद के लिए नहीं लड़ सकते ना तो शायद किसी के लिए नहीं लड़ सकते। अगर खुद के लिए नहीं कुछ बना सकते तो बाकियों के लिए भी नहीं बना सकते। तो अपने लिए तो ये जंग लड़नी पड़ेगी।
एक्चुअली हाँ, क्या एग्जाम्पल सेट कर रहे हो आपकी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए, तो वही चीज है।
नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए क्या कर रहे हो तो वो तो है ही। ग्रेट करिश्मा। करिश्मा, एक और चीज मुझे आपसे पूछनी है। ड्यूरिंग ऑल दिस इतना कुछ है, टाइम भी निकालती हो, 5 बजे उठती हो, 12 बजे सोती हो, बैलेंस कैसे करती हो सबका? सब बैलेंस आउट कैसे करती हो? कभी थक नहीं जाती हो? कभी मन नहीं करता है कि बस अब और नहीं होता, गिव अप करूं?
जिस दिन थक जाती हो, गिव अप कर जाती हो, उस दिन डेडलिफ्ट कर लेती हो, तो थिंग्स वापस सही हो जाती है।
वहां भी डेडलिफ्ट करती हो?
मेरे को आता है ना, मैं बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होती हूँ, बहुत गुस्सा आता है, बहुत लाइक कभी होता ही है, ऑब्वियसली वी आर ह्यूमंस, तो ये तो है नहीं कि हमेशा ही खुश रहोगे हमेशा ही। बट वहां मैं वेट्स उठाती हूँ, वहां मैं ना सारा अपना एनर्जी वहां चैनलाइज करती हूँ, इन स्पाइट ऑफ के ना अपने आप पे चिड़चिड़ करके या किसी और पे करके, आई डू दैट।
वंडरफुल। मतलब अगर गुस्सा है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो, तो वहां की भी एनर्जी अपने गोल की तरफ चैनलाइज करो, rather than sitting aside and crying and cribbing about it. Wonderful.
क्रिबिंग won't make things easier ना, सही तो होंगे नहीं, रोने से क्या होगा?
करेक्ट, रोने से क्या होगा? मतलब जिंदगी ने रुलाना है, या तो हंस के रो लो या वैसे रो के रो लो। आंसू हंसी के हो या दुख वाले हो तो हंसी वाले ही निकालते हैं,
या किसी और को रुला दो।
ये बहुत अच्छा किया, किसी और को रुला दो। Awesome. Okay, Shanu is asking another question. What is that one challenge you think females face in taking any decision in everyday life? How do you think those challenges could be overcome at individual level? Okay.
Yeah, because like women, they are not allowed to take decisions. Yes, I agree to this. Women's decision लेते हैं तो it's like वो ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, men's always like नहीं ये सही नहीं है, फैमिली मेंबर्स में होता है कि नहीं आप सही नहीं हो, आप ये हो। बट अगेन वही चीज है कि आप अपने लिए कर रहे हो, आपका डिसीजन आपको खुद का है, आप किसी के ऊपर आत्मनिर्भर नहीं हो सकते। यू नॉट, आप उस जनरेशन में नहीं हो, आपकी है ना किसी और के डिसीजन पे रहो, आपका खुद का डिसीजन होना चाहिए। यू नीड टू फाइट फॉर थिंग्स। नहीं मानते डिसीजन, इट्स ओके, बट यू नीड टू फाइट फॉर थिंग्स, लाइक तभी होगा।
कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन आपकी लाइफ में आया?
यस, many times.
Do you want to narrate any?
लिफ्टिंग को ही देख लो। I was like नहीं करना है, जिम नहीं जाना है, बट ठीक है नहीं करना है, I did it the other way, घर पे ले आओ, मेरा पैशन है, डिसीजन तो मेरा, मैं तो करूँगी जिद्दी।
Great. Nisha is asking a question, and I think That's a perennial question that even women who are working, they do face this situation many a times. And you being a homemaker and a fitness enthusiast and into guiding people into modeling, have you ever faced a situation where you were not able to give enough time to your kids or to your family? कभी ऐसा हुआ? और कभी फिर वो गिल्ट आया? जैसे मैं एक वर्किंग वुमेन हूँ, वो गिल्ट ना मेरे अंदर बहुत बार आता है, कई बार आता है कि यार मैं टाइम नहीं दे पा रही. आपकी लाइफ में आया कभी ऐसा? डू यू वांट टू?
आता है. यस गिल्ट तो आता है, लाइक बहुत बार आता है कि हाँ मैं टाइम नहीं दे पाती हूँ, बिकॉज फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी रहती है, इतने सारे मेंबर्स को देखना भी पड़ता है. एंड हाँ, जब किड्स के पास टाइम होता है तो अपने पास टाइम नहीं होता है. एंड जब होता है, बहुत बार गिल्ट आता है. तो नाउ आई हैव टेकन आउट टाइम कि है ना, हाफ एन आवर अ डे आई नीड टू सिट विथ माई किड्स. मेरे को उनको टाइम देना, उनको सुनना है कि उनके माइंड में क्या है. नॉट द होल डे मे बी, बट एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर I need to prioritize for them. So I've taken that half an hour at night. I sit along with them, उनसे बातें करती हूँ, and then ask कि what's like उनका जो भी है.
That's
Yes,
great.
but
That's
okay.
wonderful. How old are your kids?
My daughter is 12 and my son is 8.
Growing up, and they need a lot of attention all the time, right?
Yes, obviously they're small kids, so they need, but they have grown up. They have also seen that the mom is like, mama is, उनकी responsibilities और भी है, उनका goal कुछ और भी है. They know, they are seeing things, so they also understand. गिल्ट तो रहता है, कभी कभी बोलते ही है आपके पास टाइम नहीं है.
कैसे समझाया बच्चों को करिश्मा? How did you explain them your goals? कभी वो कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ?
कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं हुआ कभी, ऐसा कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं हुआ, बट उन्होंने देखा कि वे फ्रॉम कहाँ से कहाँ आई अपलिफ्टेड माई सेल्फ एंड व्हाट आई वाज. सो एंड डॉटर्स तो ऑलवेज दे आर लाइक, समझदारी होती है, तो शी अंडरस्टूड मी सो वेल. एंड ऑब्वियसली मैंने कभी उसके गोल के लिए नहीं रोका उसको. उसके लिए आई ट्राई टू टेक आउट टाइम, मे बी नहीं तो भी, तो शी अंडरस्टूड. एंड इवन द अदर किड ऑटोमेटिकली अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ ही जाती है सर देख के.
What is one thing or one lesson that you would want your daughter to remember or to take it from your life? I know they are observing you, and you are a very great person. You're an example to everyone. You are such an inspiration, Karishma. And today with this session, I've been learning so much. और daughters हमारी जो होती है ना, वो बहुत soft सी और बहुत दिल के करीब होती है. मेरी भी बेटी है. कोई एक चीज, एक बात, एक lesson which you want to give her, which she should carry lifelong. Which is going to...
मैं बस उसको यही हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ, आई लाइक अपने ड्रीम्स को कभी गिव अप मत करो. एंड है ना, कभी नेवर गिव अप ड्रीम्स भी, और खुद को भी कभी गिव अप मत करो. यू फॉल डाउन देन यू राइज अप. तो हमेशा ये सोचो कि हाँ हम उठेंगे. नेवर गिव अप ऑन थिंग्स व्हिच यू वांट टू परस्यू इन लाइफ. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फुलफिल इट.
Defy all the logics, right? Okay, great. Wonderful. So we have a question here from Dimple, and she's asking, who all support you in your journey?
So many people who supported me in my journey. There's a long list actually.
You have a great chance to offer gratitude and say thanks to them.
Gratitude, I always do. I always like my friends, my family, everybody. Like they were always supporting me towards my journey. Yes, my husband, my kids. So big thanks to them for understanding. Yes. इसका गोल है, इसको करना है, तो they are understanding. So they've always supported me.
Any challenges you faced in your fitness journey? I know, being an arthritis patient and asthma and then deadlift, एक वो mental block आता है ना कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. उसके अलावा कोई और challenge, वो mental block कैसे गया and what were the challenges you faced?
मेंटल ब्लॉक तो ऐसा गया कि इट टुक टाइम. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने एक दिन में सारा लिफ्ट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. इट टुक मी 3 years टू बी हियर. मतलब 3 साल मुझे करना पड़ा. इनिशियली स्टार्टेड विद वॉक एंड ऑल, तो वो था, पेन्स होता था. चैलेंजेस मेरे को हेल्थ में बहुत रहा है बिकॉज अभी आई हैड सिवियर अस्थमा. एवरी मंथ आई हैड टू गेट हॉस्पिटलाइज. तो वहाँ पे वो चीज थोड़ा सा ओवरकम हुआ. तो चैलेंजेस ये हेल्थ से लेकर बहुत फेस हुआ. एंड ऑब्वियसली बीइंग इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली, एवरी अदर डे यू हैव सम फंक्शन, या शादी होती है घर में या कुछ होता है. तो इतनी बड़ी फैमिली में ये चीज तो होता ही होता है. एंड तो वो थोड़ा सा चैलेंज है लाइफ में. बट यस, मुझको अपना गोल अचीव करना है सून, तो वो भी प्रायोरिटी है.
तो कैसे मैनेज करती हो जब फंक्शन होता है, बिना खाए आ जाती हो?
यस, अब सबको घर में पता है कि ये घर से खाना खा के आएगी.
Really?
मैं अपना टिफिन पहले खा के जाती हूँ, टिफिन लेके जाती हूँ.
एक प्लेट बचता है लोगों का. हाँ. Great. Any questions, audience, which you want to ask? Which you want to share? Okay, Women with Wings has become hardcore fan of Karishma Jain. Yes, I am. मैं तो सबसे बड़ी फैन. और लिस्ट है वैसे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए हैं. Women should come out of their guilt. Kanika mentioned. And I'm just reading out few comments. In the meantime, people just think of more questions which you want to ask. It's important for us to understand that self-prioritization is not bad, but necessity. Meetu said that. Oh, Shano is asking, why do you want to be a power lifter? She had answered that, but maybe. Once more, Karishma, powerlifting, you, why?
That's my goal. Like, I don't know why, but while I started lifting, from the beginning, मुझे को हाँ लिफ्ट करना. But just as days passed by, तो वो गोल चेंज होता गया. एंड अब मेरा गोल है कि मुझे स्टेज पे जाना है, मुझे पावर लिफ्टिंग करनी है. एंड आई वांट टू बी मी, दैट मी. तो मुझे खुद के लिए अचीव करना है कुछ, तो बस इसलिए पावर लिफ्टिंग करनी है. दैट्स माय ड्रीम.
Viewers, I have a surprise for you. Okay, and I'm going to show you that surprise very soon. We'll unfold that. But before that, there is another question that's coming up, and I have few more questions for her. Shweta is asking, due to arthritis, have you ever felt, especially in the beginning, that you won't be able to do these heavy workouts?
Yes, I always felt, because जब एक ग्लास में उठता तो डंबल्स बहुत दूर की बात होती. But nahi, I did not want to give up. And I saw many people like overcoming this through weightlifting, through lifting of weights. So I said, why not give it a try? और जब करती गई तो सब चीज अपने आप ही सही होती गई. And arthritis vanished by no time. I never had medication on it. कुछ नहीं किया. It vanished. It's all on mind.
It's a mind game.
Yes. If you feel you're ill, you're ill. नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
I think that's the crux of everything. All the discussion that we had. Love yourself, and it's all in your mind. If you have a weakness, if there is something that is bothering you, it's there in your mind. Just overcome that boundary, overcome that hindrance, and you can be a winner. I think, Karishma, जो मुझे पूरा डिस्कशन में समझ में आया, आपने सबसे पहले खुद से प्यार किया, खुद का गोल आइडेंटिफाई किया, और वो जो एक नेवर एवर गिव अप वाला एटीट्यूड था ना, उसको वहां पे रखा. And that's what made you win over the arthritis or asthma or any challenge that you face throughout your life. That is so amazing, Karishma. Hats off to you. And Shweta says hats off to you, as I said. Okay, Kanika is mentioning your perfect example of strong is beautiful. Very inspiring, Karishma, as Dimple mentioned. Do what makes you happy, Nisha is saying. Yes, Nisha, absolutely. All right. So we have a round of rapid fire, Karishma, which I didn't ask you earlier. So we'll do a quick one, right? You don't have time, and we don't have time. We have to unfold a surprise as well. Okay. You have only 2 seconds to respond. All right. So who is the person you look up to the most in your life?
My mirror.
Wow. What celebrity do you idolize? Which celebrity?
No one.
Okay. If you could be anyone else beside yourself, who would you be?
Mother Teresa.
If Karishma wakes up tomorrow and gained any one ability or quality, what would you want it to be?
Quality of, like, don't know what to say. Like, so many qualities. I like.
One particular quality or ability. करिश्मा उठी और मतलब उठी तो उसके पास वो चीज थी. वो कौन सी चीज थी? वो कौन सी क्वालिटी?
Confidence, which I really like.
No. You have it in you. I can see it so well. Okay. If I were a genie in a bottle and could grant you any one of the wish, what would it going to be?
Make me stand in the powerlifting competition.
and
make me dance from.
Awesome, Karishma. Okay, there's another one. All right. And if you are deserted in an island, and you can take one individual probably there, वो कौन होगा जिसको आप वहां पे अपने साथ अकेले ले जाना पसंद करोगी, या वो अचानक से आ जाए आपके सामने? If you are deserted.
My mom. Because we hardly spend time together. At least वो deserted में हम लोग साथ में अच्छा time spend करेंगे.
Thank you so much, Karishma. We enjoyed, and let's unfold the surprise, guys. And you are going to see something. Karishma, over to you now.
Yeah.
Just show them what Karishma is. Yay! Yes. Look at her gym, guys. I'm so wanting to see. Let's have a look at her gym. And there is something else also waiting.
Am I visible?
You are visible. Karishma, we lost you. Okay, guys, I think we lost Karishma. Just hold on for a second. We are just getting her back. So she is so excited to show her gym. And there was something else also which she wanted to show. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the session. It was overwhelming. I had so much of learning. Definitely, which I picked up from the conversations with Karishma. And I think loving yourself is what... Okay.
Am I visible?
You are visible, but can you just turn your camera around? Yeah. Just turn it. Yes. Maybe you can show what weights you have. Yes. Guys, are you able to see it? Yes. Yes, that's her little gym. That's her little gym, guys. I'm so excited. Oh God, that's her. That's what she has set up in her bedroom. Yes, go ahead, Karishma. You got stuck. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. And the beauty is gonna pick up a weight. Look at the deadlift. Super. Awesome, Karishma. Amazing. Yay. Anybody wants to ask any question now? Any comment? I'm waiting. I'm waiting for more comments. Yes. Hats off to you, Karishma. Amazing. Beautiful, Karishma. Superb. I am so excited. A lady in sari, a lady with all the responsibility and, everything she can lift, defying all the barriers, all the thoughts, all the mental block that they have. You just saw how beautifully she lifted the weights. And that's how she has been lifting. Shanu is asking what is the weight and PR. Oh, okay. Yeah.
My PR is 95, Shanu.
You got your
And
answer.
today I lifted 50.
Yes. Weightlifting in sari has moved so many of us. Superb, Karishma. That was Sudiksha. So, आप किचन में भी हो या आप घर में झाड़ू उठा रहे हो या कोई भगोना उठा रहे हो भरा हुआ, सोच लो कि वेट लिफ्ट कर रहे हो जैसे करिश्मा करती है, राइट? हम सब कुछ उठा सकते हैं. वी आर पावर ऑफ गर्ल्स एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट ट्रू वुमेन इज. एंड वीक नहीं है.
Women is never weak. Women is strong.
Exactly. We are warriors. We are warriors. The way in which we think of ourselves has everything to do how our world see us. हम सोचते हैं अगर हम मजबूत हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि अगर हम में सब कुछ है, हमारी दुनिया भी वैसी ही बन जाती है एंड दुनिया देखेगी वैसे. करिश्मा ने दिखा दिया ना सभी को अभी. And thank you so much, Karishma, for a wonderful session, for giving such amazing lessons of life. People, I think I'm getting such amazing comments. I'm going to create a summary and send it to you. More power to you. You are such an inspiration. I'm so looking forward for you to be a coach and, inspire others and change their life. Because आपने जो किया ना, आपने पहले खुद पे जीत हासिल करी. वो जो एक चैलेंज वाला लाइफ था और वो एक कहीं रुकने वाली बात थी. शादी के बाद बहुत लोग रुक जाते हैं, 2 बच्चे हो गए, बहुत लोग रुक जाते हैं. करिश्मा रुकी नहीं. वो जो ड्रीम था वो आगे 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 करिश्मा देखती गई. सपने देखना नहीं छोड़ा. सपने देखना किसी को नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. अपने आप से प्यार करना नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. खुद से प्यार करेंगे, सामने वाला दिखेगा. एंड वन रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन व्हिच शी मेंशन्ड वेयरइन शी सेड शी वांट टू सी हरसेल्फ. मिरर. अपने आप उठ के सुबह मिरर में देखो और बोलो, क्या करिश्मा?
Yes. I love myself.
I love myself.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for a wonderful session. I think I'm
Thank you for bringing me here. Thank you for bringing me in this platform. Thank you so much, Vatsala.
Best of luck, Karishma, for your future and the next phase of your life. I'm sure you're gonna rock. And dead 150 भी उठा लेंगे. Thanks a lot from the audience. You all enjoyed.
Thank you.
It was a great evening. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.